Want Adobe MAX 2025 on your desktop? I'll show you how, fast and simple. First, open Google Chrome and search for Adobe MAX 2025. Adobe MAX 2025 is here, and it's packed with the most exciting AI and creative tools we've ever seen. From voiceover generators to smart design assistants, Adobe is officially taking creativity to the next level. In today's video, let's focus on how to install it on your desktop. Before downloading, sign in with your Adobe ID or create a free account. It only takes a minute. Once you're signed in, click the three dots at the top right of Chrome. Hover over Save and Share. Then choose Install App. Confirm the installation. Close extra windows, find the new Adobe MAX app on your desktop, and double-click to open it. That's it, you're in. If anything doesn't appear, try reopening Chrome and repeating the install step. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.